believe that there are better ways to do business than what is traditionally done. We think that there are a lot of savings that can be had and efficiencies that can be driven out of the project delivery system. So if we can work together with our customers early on to define the right solutions, to get the right people at the table at the right time in the project, we know we can drive costs down. The biggest challenge for the Western Canadian market is to compete globally. And so as a market, we really need to understand how to be more efficient and be more productive.
I think what we've worked towards as an organization is to develop a really strong culture. And in that culture, there's an embedded expectation or desire for improvement. And so everything that we do every day, all the time, as we go forward, we're always looking for the better way. Well, the everyday maverick is that type of individual where they're always looking for the opportunity to improve the way we do things, to bring some energy, to bring the integrity.
One of the things that we do differently at Startec is, again, pretty simple. We do what we say and we say what we do. It's important to us to keep our promises, and it's also important to us to be very transparent. And that's a unique approach to business.